Hello.
Welcome to Oasia Hotel Downtown. So just help me to complete check-in for the Oasia Hotel.
Okay.
And just to verify, you still remember the booking name is under whose name?
My name.
And,
Yeah.
Can I just trouble for your last name?
Chia. CHIA.
CHIA.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. And your given name will be?
Kenny.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So our reception will be at level 12.
Okay. I see. Yeah. Okay.
Reservation will be under the name of Kenny Chia. So you have booked the club rooms, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now help me to scan this health declaration form. I will need the normal camera to scan.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we should booking will be under Mr. Chai and
Yeah.
for 2 packs. So you'll be staying with us for 2 nights, checking out on the 18th.
Mhm.
So the rooms that you book for will be a club rooms.
Okay.
Okay, and just let me okay. So because you actually booked through our direct booking, so you'll be actually entitled for a complimentary late checkout at 4 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can. So meanwhile, just help me to go through the hotel policy, signature here and here for the non-smoking policy.
Okay.
Just do a walk-in anytime between 7 to 10:30.
Okay.
Okay, so for the happy hours will be at the club lounge between 6 to 8. You can just enter any time. So for the happy hours, what they do serve will be they will have some light snacks and some canopies, and
Okay.
there will be free flow of alcoholic drinks.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So for the room, there will be this 4 drinks complimentary per day. So because for you will be staying with us for 2 nights, so the minibar is only for 1 day.
Oh.
So tomorrow, if you need, just give us a call, then they will replenish for you lah.
Yeah, sure.
So 1 day will be only for complimentary. So however, if you were to order additional, that it will be chargeable.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, and then you'll also be entitled for a 2-piece laundry as well. So for 2-piece laundry will be starting from tomorrow morning before 10:30.
Okay.
So if you send any 2-piece laundry before 10:30 in the morning, then you will have it back on the same day at after 8. So but you'll be staying with us for 2 days. So for the last day, probably if you were to send the laundry, then earliest it will only back in the evening lah, after your checkout.
Okay, sure, no problem.
But
Yeah.
tomorrow you're still able to send because you'll have it on tomorrow evening.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. And as well, facilities that we do have will be a 24-hour gym,
Okay.
infinity pool at the club lounge, and another pool at level 27, which is catered for all room categories.
Alright, sure.
Okay, but for facilities, you have to give us a call or head down to level 21 to do the booking
Okay.
before you can use the facilities.
Alright, sure.
Okay. And also, just meanwhile, for the club lounge will be open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So
Alright.
anytime, just feel free to enter. There will be drinks and snacks available for
Alright,
today.
sure. Alright.
So you have a room at level 25.
Alright.
Lift will be on the left. You have to take this lift up to level 21, then take another lift up to your room number.
Alright, sure. Alright. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi and welcome to the Club Room King room at Oasia downtown. So today we are going to give you a room tour of this room. Over here near the door, we have the cupboard area where you got storage space right below, and on top you can place your luggage here. They do provide exercise mat with some instructions on how to stay fit with Oasia. So you got push-up, planks, and bicycle crunches. So you can work out your belly. So they do provide umbrella. So just in case you want to go out and eat or explore the area and it rains, so you got the umbrella. And the hairdryer is over here as well. So yes, hairdryer. Okay, so moving on to the other side of the cupboard. There's two bathroom over here. So, and bathroom sleepers. So if you want to iron your clothes, there's iron and ironing board. And in case of a blackout, there's torchlight over here. So moving on is the pantry area in the room. So everything here is complimentary. Currently, they do not provide bottled water because to save the earth. So they provide glass bottles that you can fill up with the tap water, which is safe to drink, and you can bring it out. So there's a electrical kettle, mugs, tea by TWG, and coffee by Nespresso. Yeah, so it's a capsule pot which you can use the coffee machine over here to make it. Then there's a mini refrigerator over here with complimentary drinks as we are in the club room. So all these drinks are actually complimentary. That is actually replenished daily. And right at the bottom is a pull out safe, which is very heavy at the door. Okay. Yeah, so this is a safe. You can place your valuables inside there. And it should fit a 13-inch laptop. Yeah. Alright, so moving on is the desk area over here where you can do your work. And there's a lamp. Yeah, that's adjustable. Okay, so moving forward to the TV area. Yes, the TV is over here. Yep, so it's a very big flat screen TV. And you got a reading area over here with a comfy chair. Okay, so for us, we are currently at the 25th level. So this is our view. So we have a view of the surrounding offices and a slight view of the sea at the side. Okay, so this is a king size bed. Yep, so this is the bed, which is very comfy, very big. Alright, so moving on to the bathroom area. Alright, so moving on to the bathroom area, we have shampoo and conditioner, body wash and body lotion by Biology. And they provide vanity kits, shower cap, comb, shaving kit, dental kit. So yep, so that's for the sink area, and this is the toilet bowl area. Okay, so moving on to the bath area. So there's actually a rain shower. We have a rain shower over here and a bathtub at the side. So the specialty about this toilet is that you can actually open or you can actually close. Sometimes open, sometimes close. So yeah. So yeah, you can actually close this area and you can open it back again. Yes. Yeah, so that you can maybe watch the TV from the bath area. Okay, there's actually a very special feature about this toilet, which is right behind. So this dial over here actually controls the volume. So if you're wondering what volume is about, it's actually a speaker up there that is actually connected to the TV, so that you can actually hear the sounds from the TV in the toilet itself, and you can adjust the volume of it from here. Yes. So this is a very special, very unique feature where you can actually play music on your TV and actually still enjoy it in the bathroom. Okay, so we have come to the end of the room tour. and stay tuned while we actually explore the other facilities in this hotel. Yeah. Okay.